In this video, we're going to be looking at how to install Choicy, that's Digital Marketing Agency WordPress theme. To download this script, kindly use our affiliate link in the description to download this script from teamforest.net. So after downloading the theme, I go straight to my dashboard. Close my dashboard. Then next I go to appearance. This is the default theme of the WordPress. So now, because I've gotten my theme, I click on add new theme. Upload theme because it's on my system already. Then I click on choose file. So here is it. Select this, then click on open. Install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use link in description. Use the buy me link in description to buy me coffee. Okay. Please, because there is one already there. So I click on replace with active upload. But if there's no other one there before, I'm just going to bring this one instead of that I played before this. Just going to bring this. Then next I click on activate. Now that has been installed. Here is it. I can click on this now. Let's see. So next I should go to my come here. Instead of me, I can click on visit site, but I want to open it in a new tab. I can click then open it in a new tab. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, here is it. But I didn't import the demo. I've already successfully uploaded my theme. If you like this theme, if this video is helpful, please use link in the description to buy me coffee. And also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To install this theme, use link in the description. Use link in the description to hire me to help me install this theme. Thank you.